Important tips and resources for buying your home.
All right. Don't buy expensive cars. Don't gift a diamond ring to your girlfriend, for example. All right. So make sure that your financial condition is as stable as possible through this entire transaction. That's one of the very important and key thing. Once lenders have done that, once they have soft pulled your credit score, once they have figured out that nothing changed and you still qualify to get through that loan, they will take that money and they will send that money to escrow company. Now escrow company have everything. Okay. They got the sellers to sign the paperwork. They have all the paperwork signed from the sellers. They got all the paperwork signed from the buyers. They got the check of the down payment from the buyers. They got the money from the lender. They have everything. They have 100% of money sitting in one bank account, which is your escrow number bank account. They have all the paperwork sitting in that escrow number bank account. All right. At that time, what escrow company does is they draw instructions, or what we call as they write instructions for the county. What we also call as the final stage when the recording happens. By recording, we mean is there are two things which that escrow company records in the county. Okay. One thing is that the new owners for this property is the buyer's name. Okay, because the new property has to get onto the buyer's name. The second thing which gets recorded is this buyer has taken this much amount of loan from this lender on this property. Okay, so those are the two things which the escrow company has to absolutely record with the county or with the city, with the county office. It goes into the county records. Once that have been recorded in the county records, at that time, the buyers get a call that, hey, recording has been done and you are now officially the new owner for the property. The moment that call happens, the moment that recording happens, the buyers can get the keys for their new home. That's the day we also call as close of escrow day, which means the entire escrow process has been finished. It has been closed. The property has been recorded. The title has been transferred from the old buyer, from the sellers to the buyers. The loan has been recorded against the new property. Once that happens, the buyers get the call, buyers get the keys, sellers get their money. All right. That's the time when that's the day we call it as close of escrow date. Now there are a couple of other things happen on close of escrow date. Okay. Outside of buyers getting the keys, any money which the sellers have paid for the property, for example, let's say they have paid property taxes upfront on the property. All right. Or they have paid, let us say, HOA on that property upfront. Okay. The way it works is the day when the escrow closes, in that day forward, including that day, all the expenses of the property are supposed to be paid by the buyer. Okay. I'll repeat that once again. The day when the buyers get keys, all the expenses for the property, including property taxes, any HOA, any mortgage, or any expenses for the property, going forward, including that day, that's the responsibility of the buyers. Anything prior to that day, one day before that, that's the responsibility of the sellers. Okay, so that's how that proration of money happens, including that day on the day of the close of escrow. Any questions up till now? I think I've covered a lot of ground. Any questions?
Nothing from my end.
All good.
Yes, sir. Any questions?
I'm good.
Yeah. What was your name? Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Myself, Nalini.
Nalini. Hello, Nalini. I don't see your name. I only see your phone number. Okay. So
I don't know how it happened.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. So we have, that's how this entire sort of home buying process overview works. I try to keep it very simple at a high level so that you guys can connect the dots. The entire process from phase 1 to phase 3 generally takes about 8 to 10 weeks, including getting your pre-approval, starting defining your requirements to the day when you will get the keys. Okay.
Join our weekly webinar. Call us now at 408-763-8131 or scan the QR code.